Hey YouTube, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool device right here, and basically what this is a sonic electric toothbrush. If you see the one that we got right here from this brand, and if you guys turn on the site, they show you guys the different modes that's provided for you guys in this toothbrush. So the clean mode, white mode, polish mode, gum care, and sensitive option. And if you guys turn on to the other side, they provide guys some more specs and feature about the product as well. And if you guys turn to the back, they provide guys some more specs and feature about the product. So this is what the package looks like when you guys first get in. Let me actually open up and show you guys what's included inside. So first thing inside right here, they provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And right underneath that, eventually we do have everything else. So right here is a charging cable that's been used to recharge the actual toothbrush. And right next to that, they provide guys a bunch of these toothbrush heads. So they do provide guys a total of 8 of these replacing brush heads. So if you guys want to share like the same toothbrush within like your whole family, if you guys have like a family of 8, you definitely can. All you need to do is unplug the toothbrush head and just plug in the one that's yours. But in terms of the toothbrush head, they do mention how there's different types. So there's 2 of them that are W-shaped and the remainder 6 is all U-shaped. And the way how you guys know which is which is by looking at the color of the toothbrush head. Or you can also refer to the packaging, because when you guys look at the package, the ones that have 6 of them together, which are these right here, is all piled together. And the one that has 2 is together as well. It's definitely really cool how they do provide guys like a cover for each one of the toothbrush head. Not a lot of brands will do that for you. Since they're all the same, let me actually take out one of each to show you guys what it actually looks like. So let's start with the W1 first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, this is what the W1 looks like. So you see right here, they probably got little covers we have to take out. And that way it actually keeps the toothbrush clean when you guys do use it. But once you guys take it out, if you see the way how the toothbrush is like a W shape, that is why they call it W-shaped toothbrush head. And when you guys do feel it, it does feel pretty sturdy, but doesn't feel like it'll hurt your teeth when you guys do use it. And then here is what the other side looks like. So you basically want to plug in this side on the toothbrush head, and I'll show you guys how to use it in a second. But you see for the color of this one is like a white and blue color. So that is how you guys know it's a W shape. Now I'm actually open the other one to show you guys what that looks like as well. Alright, so once you guys take out the other one, here is basically what the product looks like. So for this one, eventually they also provide guys a little cover. But once you guys take it out, if you see the design of this one is slightly different. It doesn't have like the W shape. This one's like a U curve shape. And also if you guys notice the color for this one's slightly different. This one's like a green and blue color. But when you guys do feel it, it does feel pretty nice as well. Very similar to the other one that I showed you guys just now, which is W shape. But same thing for this one, if you can see right here, that is where you guys can plug it into the toothbrush option. So that is basically what the U-shaped one looks like. So like I mentioned, for the U-shape they provide guys 6 of them, and for the W they provide guys 2. So that is basically what the toothbrush head looks like. Now I'm going to take out the toothbrush to show you guys what that looks like. Alright, so here is a toothbrush. You can see how it's all nicely wrapped up. Let's take off the wrapper first. Once you guys take it out, you can see this is what the product looks like. So the top part right here is where you guys want to insert the toothbrush head. Right here we do have the brand logo. And then right here we do have the power button that's used as a mode button to change different mode. Right underneath that, you can see we do have the indicator light. And right here, you can see we do have a different mode. So I'm assuming when you guys change the different mode on here, it will light up. And when you guys feel the overall material on here, it feels really soft and very smooth. And when you guys do grip it, it feels pretty nice. And the bottom right here is where you guys want to plug in the cable to recharge it. And if you guys notice on the bottom, it is a flat design. So that way you can just stand it up on a table if you guys want to. And like I mentioned, for the product, it is water resistant or waterproof. So we'll test that out in a second. But let's put it on the toothbrush head to show you guys how to set it up. So all you need to do is just insert it in very easy like this. And it's all set. So now I'm just plugging the cable to show you guys how to charge it up. So you guys can't use like any USB cable or anything. You guys have to use the one that I provided for you guys because it's like a certain cable. Alright, so we have to plug it in. Once you guys plug it in, you can see the light pops on right here. So that is how you guys know when it's charging. And I'm assuming once it's fully charged, that light should stop blinking or change a different color. So that is basically how you guys recharge it. If you guys try to turn it on while it's plugged in, let's see when it actually works. Alright, so it won't work. So it only works when you guys unplug the cable. So let's unplug the cable first. If you guys try to turn it on again, it does work. If you guys want to change the mode on here, you have to click on the bottom. Alright, so very easy and very simple for you to change it. But let me show you guys what the top part looks like when you guys do turn it on. So there's a clean mode. Here's the next one, which is white. This is polish. Here's gum care. And here's sensitive. And then once you guys are done, press the power button and that will turn it off. So very easy and very simple for you guys to use that option. That is the intensity level, so we guys turn it on. If you guys want to change it, you guys want to press this button right here. So level 2, level 3, and level 1. So very easy and very simple to change that as well. So when we just turned it on just now, when I feel the actual toothbrush, it feels super strong. Like I didn't even need to feel the top part yet, but when I feel the actual handle part right here, the vibration on here feels really powerful. And like I mentioned for the product, it does have a 2-minute smart timer option. So after 2 minutes, that is how you guys know when you guys are done brushing your teeth. And in terms of the battery life on here, like I mentioned, it can give you guys 60 days of usage. So all it requires you guys to do is charge it for 4 hours and you guys are all set. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now we should go do a quick waterproof test to show you guys whether or not the product is like water resistant or waterproof. So that way we can see whether or not the product works if you guys want to use it when you guys are showering or something. So let's go do that first and then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the toothbrush. Let's test it out to see whether or not the actual product is like water resistant or waterproof. So if you guys turn on the water, turn it on. If you see the whole entire body of the actual toothbrush, it is fully waterproof or water resistant. So even if you guys do get water in the bottom, it is fine. But you definitely want to let it kind of dry first before you guys do plug in the cable to charge it. So if you guys want to use this while you guys are showering, you definitely do have the option available. Welcome back guys. So now this quick test of the product, definitely actually does work and should work quite well. So even if you guys fully drench the pot in water, it should be fine. One thing to remember is that if you guys do fully drench it in water, especially for the bottom part where you guys plug in the cable, you do want to let it fully dry before you guys plug in the cable to recharge it. But you definitely do have the option to use it while you guys are showering if you guys do want to, since it is fully waterproof. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality sonic electric toothbrush that has a similar design as this one right here and all the other benefits as well. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.